Welcome, this is Gail. So I'm going to show you what I do on the rebounder sometimes. I go over to Get Fit with Rick on YouTube and I do some of those indoor walking workouts, but instead of being on the ground, I'll do some of that on the rebounder. And this is a Jump Sport Pro. It's the 44-inch, so it's a little bit larger than the one I normally use. And then I have the little short handlebar just for safety, right? And join me if you like, or go look at the original indoor walking workout because it's wonderful. Again, let's get started. So again, we get up here, get our music started, and I am wearing sandals. They're called Earth Runner sandals. You can run in them, you can walk in them. I really like them for having more comfort with my feet. So another thing to check out. So here we go.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Ooh. Cool shake, soda, yeah, only to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm not sure how to do. I got the superstar glow, so you got it bad. Ain't no other that can sweep you up like a brother. Straight up.
There we go.
Making you fall like that. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I'm not so hard to do. I got the superstar gloves up. Step right left in front of me. I like the move I see, baby. Know that I got that heat. Be sure to come on your seat. Step right left in front of me. Got it, let it go.
You can do a half bounce here or march in place. You can do a help bounce here or march in place. One, two, three. Tap to the side. In those knees. Vigorous little half bounce here. Here we go. Little lean. Here comes 3. Step it back. Out to the side. Little health bounce or a bigger health bounce. Get that heart rate up. Here we go with 3. Little health bounce or march in place.
Shoes on, get rid of more, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick up, get the drum rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea,
out to the side. Now a little side step, a little different. Here we go. Back to bounce or march. Here we go. Here comes that side step. Turn it around. Bounce. 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 Now with a little style. Here we go. Step, bounce. Now, don't bounce or march. With the Elton John. Heart rate should be up. do a B step next. Out, out, in. Right here. Here we go. Out, out, in. Side to side. Woo! Back to marching. Side to side. Here we go. Little step touch. Next is that B step. Out, out, in. Woo! Here we go. Again, here we go. Just a minute and a half left. Tonight. Let's do that 3 steps. Here we go. Nice and slow. My shoes are squeaking. What about that? Little style here. Here we go. B step right here. Here we go. Here we go. Again. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Well done. All right, that was 1,500 steps in 12 minutes, but we did it on the rebounder. A different way to do this. But you know what? Go back to the original Get Fit with Rick, the BTS workout, and we'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.